So I'm going to show you all the stuff that's in those boxes that came with the lathe, so you can help me figure out what this stuff is, because some of these things I have no clue. It'll be a sort of an unboxing, but I promise I won't show you any packing material or warranty leaflets or any of that nonsense. The content of the first box: a whole bunch of chisels, mostly made from files. This was a screwdriver. I'm not sure if it's a good idea to use old files, but they're pretty hard, they might break. This one is kinda ironic. This is a famous nooit gedachte chisel with a file in it. Made it to a chisel. I have a set of these, so I recognize the handle. Some stock material and some rod might be useful. This, I don't know. It actually might fit in the wood cutting attachment. A clamp, again no idea. It's been welded on, it's broken. An old grinding wheel. Faceplate. This looks like a mangled up vise. No idea why they did that. Maybe it was part of a milling attachment. Some aluminium faceplate. I think you can use it in the chuck. The book. Maybe you guys already seen that. More rods. A box with stuff. Bearing. These are the thread cutting templates. Some reamers, probably for wood cutting. Piece of brass. Couple of caps with keyways. A bearing and a piece of bronze. A small caliper. Another one. And another one. Couple of cold chisels, few more reamers, and a stock caliper. Alright, let's go to the other box. A primitive 4-jaw, I don't know how to call these. Fits on the spindle, no idea what for. A miniature faceplate. No, there's no thread in there. Don't know what it is. Probably also fits on the spindle. And that one also fits on the spindle. This one is actually probably for driving a lathe dog. Yeah, it must be. There's a tab for making spindle attachments, some sort of arbor, a I don't know, grease, I don't know. Box with some brass bits, maybe tool steel. Some, I think it's polishing stuff. Then there's this weird thing. It looks like some sort of center. No idea how you would use this. Yet there are a whole bunch of these things. I think I got them all. An arbor. Another caliper. Piece of bronze tubing. No idea. It actually might be part of the indexing system that was on the original pulley. Some sort of scribe. More of that stuff. A hinge. I don't know what it is, what for. A old school dual chock, self-centering. A old Jacobs chock. Another Jacobs chock. They are actually original Jacobs chocks, no imitation. An arbor. Yet another caliper. I think these might be for woodworking. To attach the wood to the lathe. Another caliper. Boring bar. Another piece of brass. Drill bit, boring bar, tool bit, tool bit, tool bit, more tool bits, armor, tool bit, tab, Allen wrench, piece of steel with holes. More tool bits, more tool bits, more tool bits, more tool bits. Some pieces of copper with holes in them. A stone, tool bit, parting arc blade, tool bit. Well, that's about it. Oh, one more thing I got. A bar of bronze or copper, I don't know. Didn't fit in the boxes. It's 30 mil thick. Might be nice to make oilers from. Plenty of useful stuff there, but also lots of junk and unknown stuff. Well, that's it for me. It's getting cold here.